Welcome to our deep dive into mastering model versioning with GitOps techniques. Today, we'll explore how to maintain model integrity and enhance collaboration within your data science teams using GitOps strategies. Welcome to our journey through mastering model versioning with GitOps techniques. GitOps is transforming the way data science teams handle model management, providing a seamless and efficient approach to version control. By integrating GitOps, teams can ensure model integrity, streamline collaboration, and automate processes with ease. In this video, we'll delve into the principles of GitOps, set up a Git repository for models, and explore strategies for tagging and branching. We'll also look into automating version control with C/CD pipelines, tracking model lineage, and managing dependencies. Stay tuned for real-world examples and best practices to implement GitOps in your projects.
In this block, we will set the foundation by creating a Git repository specifically for storing your models. The first step is to organize your models effectively within the repository. Consider creating a structured directory for easy navigation and access. Utilize the git ignore file to exclude any files or folders that don't need version control, such as temporary files or large datasets. It's crucial to maintain security by configuring access controls, ensuring only authorized team members can make changes. Lastly, integrate Git into your existing workflow using Git clients or command line tools. This setup will enable you to maintain a clean and organized environment, laying the groundwork for effective model versioning.
Tagging and branching are key strategies in managing model versions. Tags in Git allow you to mark specific points in your model's history, providing reference points for releases or stable versions. Implement a consistent tagging strategy using semantic versioning to easily identify major, minor, and patch updates. Branching strategies can vary, but consider using feature branches for experimental models, allowing for development and testing without affecting the main model. When a feature branch is ready, merge it back into the main branch using pull requests to maintain model integrity. This approach ensures a structured and organized workflow, helping teams manage multiple versions simultaneously. Automating version control through C/CD pipelines is a cornerstone of GitOps. C/CD, which stands for Continuous Integration and Continuous Deployment, allows for automated testing, building, and deployment of models. Set up C/CD pipelines to streamline your model workflows, ensuring that every change is tested and integrated seamlessly. Popular tools like Jenkins, GitLab C, and GitHub Actions can be integrated to automate these processes. Monitoring the performance of your pipelines is crucial to ensure efficiency and address any issues promptly. By implementing C/CD, you reduce manual intervention, minimize errors, and accelerate the delivery of new model versions.
Understanding the lineage of your models is essential for maintaining transparency and reproducibility. Metadata plays a vital role in capturing the history and evolution of your models. By storing metadata alongside your models in Git, you can document changes, authorship, and dependencies effectively. Tools like DVC, data version control, can be employed to manage metadata in Git, providing a comprehensive view of your model lineage. Visualizing this lineage offers insights into model performance and development over time. Adhering to best practices in metadata management ensures that your data science projects remain organized and easily auditable, facilitating smoother collaboration and decision-making.
Managing dependencies and configurations is crucial for model versioning. Identify all the dependencies your model requires, such as libraries and frameworks, and manage them effectively using tools like pip or conda. Configuration files play a key role in defining model settings, parameters, and environment variables. Store these files in your Git repository, ensuring they are version controlled alongside your models. Employ strategies for dependency resolution to avoid conflicts, such as using virtual environments. By keeping dependencies and configurations under control, you ensure that your models remain reproducible and consistent across different environments, enhancing collaboration within your team.
Effective collaboration is the backbone of successful model versioning. Git workflows provide a structured approach to team collaboration, enabling multiple contributors to work on models simultaneously. Establish clear communication channels, such as using tools like Slack or Microsoft Teams, to keep everyone informed and aligned. Conduct regular code reviews and provide constructive feedback to maintain model quality and integrity. Implement branching strategies that facilitate teamwork, allowing for parallel development of features or experiments. Utilize collaborative tools like Jupyter Hub for shared model development. By fostering a collaborative environment, you enhance productivity, innovation, and cohesion within your data science team. To illustrate the power of GitOps, let's explore a real-world case study in the data science realm. Consider a team that successfully implemented GitOps for their model versioning process. They observed significant benefits, such as improved model integrity, streamlined collaboration, and faster deployment times. However, they also face challenges, including initial setup complexities and learning curves for team members. By addressing these issues through training and tool optimization, they achieved a seamless GitOps workflow. The key takeaways include the importance of automation, clear documentation, and continuous improvement. As GitOps continues to evolve, it promises to be a transformative approach for model management in the future.
As we conclude our exploration of mastering model versioning with GitOps techniques, let's recap the key strategies we discussed. From setting up a Git repository to automating workflows with C/CD pipelines, GitOps offers a robust framework for managing model versions effectively. We encourage you to implement these strategies in your projects, enhancing collaboration and integrity within your teams. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment. We'd love to hear your feedback and suggestions for future topics. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into data science practices and vote on what you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching.